Well, hello again, and this is my 1/100 Master Grade GM Sniper 2 Lydo Wolf Custom. And I have to say, I really like this one. I'm a big fan of the GM line, and especially the GM Sniper line. They look really good. And it looks really good in black. As you can see, I didn't do too much to it. It's not painted or anything. It's just a couple of decals, a little bit of panel lining. I painted the thrusters, and that's about it. So it is the exact same kit as the regular GM Sniper. As you can see, it comes with the exact same weapons: the bullpup, the sniper rifle, and the beam sabers. So no extra weapons for the P-Bandai. And since it's the same as the GM Sniper, it can also do, of course, the pose. So, like I said, it's the exact same kit as the regular GM Sniper. So it can do the same poses, and it has the same articulation. But I do like the black color. So, that's it for me again. Bye guys.